So let us solve some problems in this lecture. One is that what is the directional derivative of pi equal to xy square plus yz cube at the point 2, -1, 1 in the direction of normal to the surface x log z minus y square equal to -4 at -1, 2, 1. See that we need to find in this problem directional derivative of this function at this point in the direction of some normal to the surface at this particular point. So here two surfaces are involved here, one function and one surface. So I just start with pi. So we need to find out the directional derivative of this function. So we have to calculate grad pi dot e bar. That e bar is obtained by normal to the surface of this one at this particular point. So I start here like this. Given the function pi equal to, it is given that xy square plus yz cube. Now what we need to calculate here? Gradient of pi first. Grad pi dot e bar to be calculated. For that I just calculate first gradient of pi, which is equal to I bar into dou pi by dou x plus j bar into dou pi by dou y plus k bar into dou pi by dou z, isn't it? Then this is equal to I bar into dou pi by dou x. If you differentiate this one with respect to x, we will get it is y square into I bar. Dou pi by dou y, if you take differentiation of this term with respect to y, it is 2xy plus z cube into j bar. With respect to z, if you take differentiation of this one, it is 3yz square into k bar. Now we have to find the directional derivative of this function at this point. So I just calculate gradient of pi at a of that point where it is required 2, -1, 1. That equal to, we just substitute 2, -1, 1 in this function. So we can have, it is -1 whole square into I bar plus 2, x is 2 into -1 plus 1 cube of j bar plus 3 times -1 into 1 square into k bar. So on simplifying, it becomes I bar minus 4 j bar minus 3 k bar. This is our gradient of pi at the point A. Is 2, -1, 1. Now we need to calculate what gradient of pi dot e bar. That e bar is nothing but unit vector in which direction you want directional derivative. So in which direction you want the directional derivative? In the direction of normal to the surface of this one. To find normal to the surface, again we have to use the gradient concept. So let the psi equivalent to the given surface, that is x log z minus y square plus 4. Now I want to calculate the normal to the surface at this particular point. So for that I just calculate now normal to the surface psi equal to 0 is gradient of psi. Yes, right? Is n bar equal to gradient of psi, isn't it? Now I just calculate what gradient of psi is. That is I bar into dou psi by dou x plus j bar into dou psi by dou y plus k bar into dou psi by dou z. Here, once you simplify it further, you will get like this. N bar equal to dou psi by dou x. So the differentiation of psi with respect to x is log z into I bar and plus j bar into dou psi by dou y. With respect to y, if you take differentiation, minus 2y into j bar, and differentiation of psi with respect to z, that is we can have x k bar. I want the normal to the surface at this point. So normal at the point B of minus 1, 2, comma 1 is, I'm just giving this n bar at B equal to gradient of psi at B of 1, minus 1, comma 2, comma 1, which is equal to, substitute minus 1, 2, 1 in our function. So 1 log 1 is 0. So 0 into I bar minus 2 into j bar plus x is minus 1 into k bar. So our normal is here minus 4 j bar minus k bar. Now we want a unit vector in this direction. Therefore, the unit vector in the direction of NB bar is E bar equal to NB bar by modulus of NB bar, that is minus 4j bar minus k bar by square root of 16 plus 1. So it is minus 4j bar minus k bar by square root of 17. Therefore, the required directional derivative, is, which means the directional derivative of this function at this point in the direction of normal to this surface is gradient of pi at that point A dot E bar. That we can have I bar minus 4j bar minus 3k bar dot minus 4j bar minus k bar by root 17, which we can have minus 0 minus 4 into minus plus 16 and plus 3 by root 17, that is, I think it is 19 by root 17. 19 by root 17. So this is the answer. Sorry, a small correction is there in this calculation. Here it is minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3. So it is minus 3. Finally, it is not 12. It is 12 plus 3. So it's not 16, it is 12 plus 3. So answer will be here 15 by root 17. So this correction I have to make. Clear? So in the next question is like this: find the directional derivative of pi, that is x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 at that point A of 1 minus 2 comma 1 in the direction of AB, where that B is 0.26 minus 1, and also we have to find the maximum directional derivative of the function pi at 1 minus 2 comma 1. It is a slight difference between the last problem and this problem. We have to find out the vector which passes through the points AB. So in that direction we have to take the unit vector then. So we just calculate here the answer. We start with given function pi equal to x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4. Now we need to calculate directional derivative of this function. So we have to calculate gradient of that function phi, which is I bar into dou pi by dou x plus j bar into dou pi by dou y plus k bar into dou pi by dou z. Now we just find out these values here. I bar dou pi by dou x from this function, it is a 4x cube, j bar into it is 4y cube plus k bar into it is 4z cube. This is the derivatives of this function, partial derivatives. Now we need to find the directional derivative of this function at this point. So we have to calculate gradient of pi at that point A of 1 minus 2 comma 1, which we can have from this we substitute x equal to 1, it is 4i cube. Substitute minus 2 in place of y, minus 8 into 4, 32 j bar, and substitute z equal to 1, it is 4 k bar. So this is gradient of pi at that point 1, minus 2, 1. And then we have to calculate then the directional derivative of this function in the direction of AB. So which means that we need to know what is the unit vector in the direction of AB. So first we have to calculate the AB, the vector of AB. So this is the position vector, OA bar equal to I bar minus 2j bar plus k bar, and OB bar equal to 2a bar plus 6j bar minus k bar. Now if you want to calculate AB bar, which means it is OB bar minus OA bar, we can have it is OB bar means it is 2i bar plus 6j bar minus k bar minus of OA bar is I bar minus 2j bar plus k bar. After simplifying, AB bar becomes now 2i bar minus I bar, it is I bar, 6j bar minus of minus plus 2j bar, it is 6 plus 2, 8j bar, and minus k bar minus 2k bar. So this is our A bar. Now what we want, the unit vector in this direction. So unit vector in the direction of AB bar is E bar equal to AB bar by magnitude of AB bar. So we can have the value here. AB bar is I bar plus 8j bar minus 2k bar by square root of 1 plus 64 plus 4. So I just write here what that E bar is. So therefore E bar equal to is I bar plus 8j bar minus 2k bar by square root of 69. So now we have to calculate the directional derivative. Therefore the required directional derivative is, so we just calculate here the directional derivative of this function at this point in the direction of AB bar. So what we have to calculate, gradient of pi at that point A dot E bar. Therefore we can have it is 4i bar minus 32j bar plus 4k bar dot at E bar. E bar is here I bar plus 8j bar minus 2k bar by square root of 69, whose simplification is 4 times 4, 32 times of 8, 6, 256, it is minus, so it is minus 8 by root of 69, which I think it is minus 260 by square root of 69 is our the directional derivative of this function at this point in the direction of AB bar. Also we need to find the maximum directional derivative of the function pi at 1 minus 2 1. We know already the maximum change of pi is in the direction of gradient of pi, and the maximum directional derivative at A equal to gradient of pi at A, magnitude of gradient of pi at A. So that is the absolute value of gradient of pi at A already is calculated, that is 4i bar minus 32j bar plus 4k bar, whose value is square root of 4 4s 16 plus 32 1024 plus 16, the square root of 32 means 56. So this is the maximum value of directional derivative at that point of the function pi at that point 1 minus 2 1.